Hey everyone, welcome back to a new one. And today we learn how to copy Instagram profile link. It's very simple and very easy. I will give you some quick steps that you need to follow, and you will be able to copy your Instagram profile link. But before going forward and learning these steps, I request all of you, if you are the first time on my channel, then do subscribe. And if this short video helped you, so don't forget to like, comment and share also. So we go to our main topic. We want to copy our Instagram profile link. You need to open your Instagram, then also you need to go click on the bottom right corner your profile section. Once you come on your profile section, then you need to click on here share profile icon or option. Just click there. Okay, once you click on share profile icon, then here you can easily copy your Instagram profile link. And if you want to just share it with people, then you can just click on share option, and you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook and wherever you want. So it's very simple and very easy. I hope the short video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.